Hey, it's me, Lady V, with another sew project. We're doing a unicorn Batwing style dress, Kiddie edition. So as you can see here, we have our pattern ready and our unicorn fabric. Let's get into it. So first you lay out your pattern. As you can see, it says kimono dress. POS stands for place on fold, and we have it placed on our fold. We have our two-way stretch fabric, and we're going to cut this out. All right. Now you see the pattern, and you see our two pieces cut out, our front and our back, and we're going to have binding around the neck. And I decided to add a cuff sleeve. All right. So as you see here, I placed the two pieces on top of each other. I'm going to sew the sleeve, and I'm going to add the binding with the serger. Here is the binding. And I put a little notch so I know where to start and where to end. So let's serge. After serging the binding in, we're going to flip it over to the wrong side, over and under, and create binding. And we're going to sew that all the way down to make a nice, neat, clean seam. Back to the sewing machine. See how clean that is? That's the inside, and this is the outside. It's almost like it's not even visible. All right, now let's do the cuff. We're gonna fold it onto itself. We're gonna serge down one side, and then we're gonna flip it over. See how it looks on the inside? Now you're gonna flip that in half, and that's how you make the cuff. You're gonna attach to the sleeve, and that's the inside, and that's the outside. Perfect. Next step. Now we have to do the channel on the middle of the garment. So we sew that down, and after that's in place, we're going to feed the elastic through the channel. All right, let's check out the final look. And to give it a little bit more style, I made it a high-low, so it's low in the back and higher in the front. Let's see how our client feels. I think she loves it. All right, see you on our next sew project. Bye.